Welcome to Form Maths with Judy. All right, today I want us to have a discussion on the tips that you need to know for you to be able to master mathematics. You will agree with me that mathematics is one of the core subjects we have from primary school to secondary school. And as a mathematics teacher for more than 15 years, I have come to list out these tips that will help learners to overcome math anxiety. Okay, now one of the things you need to know is to understand the concepts in mathematics. Don't memorize maths. Mathematics is one of those subjects that you cannot memorize. Okay, understand the concepts, know the formulas for all the topics you are being taught. For example, we have the Pythagoras rule that we use in solving the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Whenever you are asked to find the sides of a right angle triangle, you have to use Pythagoras. Now, there are other formulas like the quadratic formulas, okay, the area of a trapezium, area of a circle, how to solve questions on ratio. These are different formulas we have in mathematics that when you apply them, you can be able to solve a question depending on the topics you are given. Now, another tips you need to know is to practice regularly. Mathematics is one of the subjects that you need to practice on daily basis. Just make sure that every day you are going to solve a question different from the one you solved the day before. By so doing, you are going to build your confidence in mathematics. Another tips that as a learner you need to know is to ask questions. I don't know why students fear mathematics teachers, okay, but I am telling you, pick courage. If there is any place that you don't understand, approach your mathematics teacher. Ask questions. Don't let your confusion grow, because remember that lessons are planned from known to unknown. Okay, we build lessons on previous knowledge. If you don't understand the previous lesson, it is certain or under probability that you are not going to understand the next lesson, because we are moving lessons from known to unknown. All right, the fourth tips you need to know is whenever you are given any question, aside objective questions, okay? Objective questions are those questions that you are given options to choose, option A, B, C, D, or a subjective question where you are required to just fix the answer on a space given. Aside this type of questions, whenever you are given a question, a theory question in mathematics, please show all workings. As an examiner, those your workings and steps, you are going to get some marks. Okay, each steps has a mark. The same thing applicable to your answer. You can get your steps and have your answer 0, but those steps which you've taken or all those workings you've shown, you are going to be accorded the necessary marks on those steps. Now, the last tips I would like you to understand is to learn from your mistakes. Whenever you are given a math question to solve, and maybe there are some part of it you don't understand, and along the line you were not able to get the answer correctly, please review that question, go back, solve it, know why you were not able to get the answer correctly. By so doing, you are going to improve. You are going to improve. So these are the 5 tips I said let me share with you as a learner or as a parent that you will use to guide your child so as to improve in mathematics. Please, mathematics is one of the easiest subjects we have, and it is the bedrock on which all other science subjects are built. Please try as much as you can to master maths. It is an everyday activity.